The coronavirus pandemic isn't only a threat to our health, but also to the way we get around.
CBS 4's Ted Scouten takes a look at the impact the virus is having on transportation. He is live in Overtown with that part of the story. Ted.
Well, Elliot and Rudabeh, normally this is the peak of rush hour, but what we're seeing here is quite different. Right now we're on a platform of Metro Rail. This is in downtown Miami, and we are pretty much alone, just a couple people up here. Ridership of public transportation in South Florida is down anywhere from 30 to 60%. Whether you're catching a ride on Tri-Rail or commuting on Metro Rail, or any bus for that matter, you have plenty of open space around you. Ridership is way down because of coronavirus concerns.
That went down drastically, and I guess, it's the nature of the thing. Nobody wants to catch anything.
Dennis Douglas takes Tri-Rail to MIA for work. He has more than enough room for social distancing. It's the same on Metro Rail.
It's decreased greatly. Usually used to be packed back to back. Now you can get your own double seat by yourself if you like.
One reason buses and trains are seeing declines is because people are either not leaving the house, working from home, or with fewer people on the road. The commute is not that bad. This is rush hour at I-95 northbound, about 5 minutes to 6.
We've seen our ridership decline.
Alice Bravo is the head of transportation in Miami-Dade.
We're comparing to about 2 weeks ago, so we're seeing a drop of about 60% on the Metromover and 50% on the Metro Rail and bus service. So we're looking at that decline, and we're starting to formulate plans for reducing our level of service to match that.
Miami-Dade Transit has not reduced service yet, but it's coming.
Probably what we're going to see is maybe reduced frequency on certain routes. We plan to keep our routes in place so that we have the same kind of coverage over the county for bus routes, and then on the Metro Rail we reduce the frequency as well.
Brightline has already cut back service by 30% during non-peak travel times. Tri-Rail and Broward County Transit are monitoring before making any decisions. Now there's a lot of cleaning happening on board trains, buses, and in stations, while passengers do their best to guard against the coronavirus.
It's very weird. People seem like they're on edge. People have, their gloves on and their mask on. When I go in there, I try not to sit or touch anything. I just stand, in between the aisles and just try to make it to my stop without, trying to touch anything.
At this point, all South Florida public transportation systems are urging riders to check with the websites as well as apps to get the latest schedule information. Live in downtown Miami, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.
Ted, thank you very much.